everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. This is me, Nicky Sinha, your history educator. Now, in the last few sessions, we had a discussion regarding the administrative officials of the Mughals, right? So, today we will be discussing a very closely related topic, and that is the Mansabdari system. Now, the Mansabdari system was something which was introduced by Akbar. What was the system? How was it organized? What is Zat? What is Sawar? We will have a discussion regarding that. So let's start. Okay, first of all, let's discuss the origins. The Mansabdari system appears to be a Central Asian institution. All right. Now, there's a view that this institution came to India with Babur when he established the Mughal Empire in 1526. However, in Babur's time, instead of using the term Mansabdar, the term Wajhadar was being used. Okay, please remember this. What is the term which is being used? The term Wajhadar was being used. Now, Mansabdari as an administrative system was introduced by Mughal Emperor Akbar in 1571. He institutionalized it, reformed it to suit the needs of his civil administration. The officers who joined the Mughal administration in the Mansabdari system, they were known as what? Mansabdars. Fine. The Mansabdars could be transferred from one section to another so that the ruler could maintain his control over them. Now, let's talk about the number of Mansabdars who were there during the Mughal rule. So, during Akbar's rule, there were approximately 1800 Mansabdars, alright? And during Aurangzeb's, there were approximately 14,500 Mansabdar. Now, the system would have actually worked very well during Akbar's reign because Akbar's reign was that of an expansion, right? And in Mansabdari, you need expansion because you need to give lands to these Mansab, right? Now, for Aurangzeb's reign, the same system would have proven disastrous. You know why? Because see the number of Mansabdars he has. It is 14,500, isn't it? Now, the number of Mansabdar he is maintaining is definitely not equal to the expansion which is happening, right? Okay. Now, let's talk about the recruitment of these Mansabdars. The power to recruit and promote the Mansabdars was definitely in the hands of the emperor, fine? And usually the Mansabdars were recruited on the basis of the suggestion which was given by Mir Bakshi. So now actually Mir Bakshi would stand in the open court and he would present the tajweez or the references which the people had gotten if they wanted to become a part of the Mansabdari system. Okay? The Mughals enrolled people of all religion and races. So, there was no discrimination on the basis of that. Fine. So, a person who was wishing to join the royal service had to present a petition or a tajweez to the emperor, and this tajweez obviously would be presented by the Mir Bakshi itself. Okay. So, what is tajweez? Tajweez is a petition. Fine. By a nobleman to the emperor recommending that a certain person is fit enough to become the Mansabdar. So, tajweez can be understood as a modern day reference that we give during job applications. Alright, so let's talk about the ranking and hierarchy of the administrative officer. So, the term Mansab originates from the Arabic word, fine, and these are the hierarchy which was followed. So, we have Amir of Amirs. These Mansabdars were given the title of Amir ul Umra, alright, translated into Amir of Amirs, fine, and they were the holder of highest form of Mansabdari, which was 5,000. Okay? They are the holder of what? They're the holder of highest level of Mansabdari, which is 5,000. Then we have Amir al-Khabir, okay, the great Amir. Now, they are the Mansabdars whose rank are between 1000 to 500, okay, sorry, between 1000 to 5000, okay. Now, next we have Amir. Now, these are Mansabdars whose rank is below 1000, okay. So, lowest Mansabdari would be 10. So, Amir is basically a person or an official who might have the Mansabdari from between 10 to 1000, alright. It has to be below 1000 only. So, this is how the ranking would actually work, okay. So, this table tells us the details of the highest rank of the Mansab and the lowest. So, the highest rank of the Mansab was 10,000. This was usually given to the princesses, usually given to Rajput rulers who had accepted the suzerainty of the king, fine. And the lowest one was that of 10, okay. And this would also be given to the amirs, fine. So, now, this was just me introducing you to the concept of Mansabdari, alright. So, this was just an introduction in which I have told you about the origins of Mansabdari, alright. We discussed how it was introduced by Akbar as an administrative policy. Then we discussed the rankings which were there. And then we also discussed the highest and the lowest of the ranks, alright. Now, in the next video that we will have on Mansabdari, I will be discussing the entire system of Mansabdari. What is Zat? What is Sawar? How is the recruitment done? What are the roles and responsibilities of the Mansab? What are they supposed to do? How are they supposed to do it? Everything will be discussed in part 2. So, this was just an introduction where I told you about the basic facets of Mansabdari. I really hope that it was clear and I really hope that you have understood. If there is any difficulty, any doubts, guys, then please feel free to address them in the comment section. I will be more than happy to help you out with it, alright. So, this is just the introduction to the Mansabdari system. I really hope that you understood it, enjoyed it. So, please do learn about it. Till then, this is me, Nicky Sinha, signing off. Please take care. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.